Welcome back. Yeah, today's not gone well. Yeah, got up in the morning, supposed to have done a load of TIG welding, got on my regulator. TIG welding wasn't going so well, so we got very cross for that. And yeah, so the morning's shot now we're in the afternoon. We've got about 3 hours to go before we have to go collect people. So we're going to just see how far we get. I've picked up some stainless pipe as well to replace some of the aluminium pipe, because obviously I can work with that a lot easier, welding wise and all sorts. Well, that's the idea. Did manage to get the radiator done to a certain extent. Not quite happy with it. Maybe JB Weld come to the rescue. And we'll go from there. Got an alternator belt as well, so we can put that on. And let's see if we can get anywhere and see if we can get any water into the system. So yeah, let's stop talking and just crack on, and I'll show you what I've got to do. First things first, let's see if this alternator belt fits. Might have gone a fraction too small, but we'll see. We'll undo the adjustment and see if it pops on. Okay, just temporarily put the inlet pipe on for now. The alternator's good. Ooh, maybe a little bit more tension, we can sort that out later. Bottom hose, I was making it out of aluminium. I've got some stainless, we'll cut some stainless. And yeah, connect up the bottom hose. Okay, sorry you might have missed me welding that. It's nothing that you needed to see anyway. Chicken feeders for tea tonight, I think, because the daughter likes those and she's back, as I said. So yeah. All right, let's. I did bring some jubilee clips down. Oh, hang on a second. Jubilee clips. I might need a bigger one for this. Don't even know if these are big enough. Come on. Anyway, right, let's try and fit this. Okay, front pipe done. Obviously no straps, no clips, well clips, but no things to hold it tight and stop it vibrating. We'll do that another day. We just want to try and get some water in it today. Okay, bottom hose connected. Stainless steel. What I've done is just run a bead of weld around the end of the stainless steel, just to act as like a lip to stop obviously the pipes bursting off. Down to a little joiner piece there, which I've now welded in a little T-piece to go up to the header tank, which again, yeah, somebody mentioned maybe get the header tank up higher, which is a fair point, and I will do. I think that's a good valid point. And so yeah, we're just going to do the top hose now. Okay, top hose done with a massive jubilee clip, but anyway, pinched up. So yeah, I haven't got millions of jubilee clips, but I've got a few. So I've got one more pipe to do at the front, which I just need to block off to do with the heater or loop it. I've got something to do with the top hose here. But I left the radiator cap at home, so we can't run it up pressure anyway. But what we can do is, I think, put water in for the first time. Obviously I need to find a bigger bottle. Been running around trying to find a watering can, can't find one. But welcome to be here at this time. I now baptise you, Frank. What this will do is to give us a bit of idea. It's obviously not going to, that bottle ain't going to fill any of the pipes, but what it will do is give us an idea of how leaky my radiator became or not became, because we'll be able to see any water filling up. And yeah. Whoa, water in it. Let's go fill some more bottles. Okay, we're running it up. Got a few leaks, as you can see down there. We've got a bit of a leak. Hopefully it's just a clip need tightening up. Taking a bit of water. I'm not 100% sure about my welding on the radiator. I wasn't 100% sure originally, but I can't tell if it's clips yet or my welding. It's more than likely it's my welding, but yeah, we need to try and get it out. Let's check what the time is. Let's see if we can get it out and get a bit of air to it. But yeah, it's ticking over nicely now. And the alternator's charging. Okay, taking the radiator out. My welding is definitely not up to par at the moment. So we're going to do some fixes on that overnight and see if that helps for tomorrow. Where we can, plan is to get it wheeled out and let's just see, you know, let's just fill it up with water, give it some beans and see what happens. But yeah, I think maybe where it's just a dirty rad, I didn't clean it. I'm not very good at TIG welding. I think maybe we'll have to look for a newer rad and do that. What the other person suggested was just flip it around and maybe and just, yeah, mount the fans normally somehow. And yeah, go from there. Or hey, is there any custom fabricators out there? Give us a shout. We can maybe do something. But we'll see. Let's not be too negative. It is what it is. I think what it's starting to prove is that the pipes inside seemed okay. Okay, we've got no amount of pressure yet, but all the other leaks I had were just jubilee clips, just needed tweaking up, so that's a good sign. Again, got to get it under pressure before we really start counting our chickens. But yeah, alternator was charging, so that's all good. So yeah, let me have a bit of a ponder, and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, calling it. I just started tidying up, not that you can tell. We'll see if the Bushman fix works overnight. And well, we'll just go for it in the morning anyway. We'll just come down tomorrow, get the thing out, fill it up with water, get the radiator caps on and just see what happens. And yeah, see if we can give it a bit of a up and down. So yeah, I'm sorry for this lack of update, but it is progress. Even if you find mistakes and problems, it is progress. You've just got to sort of knuckle down. You've got to think about it, think of the best way of doing it. So yeah, sometimes I make the wrong mistakes by not thinking quick enough or listening, but hey, it's just life, isn't it? You just got to go for it. Otherwise you sit here twiddling your thumbs all day. And hopefully you guys, if anyone wants to do similar projects, you learn from it. So that's it, short video. Back tomorrow, hopefully. So a thumbs up and a like. Thank you for all my birthday wishes. I must have a birthday every day because you guys commented even more than before by just saying happy birthday. So yeah, let us know what you're having for dinner Saturday night. This video might get up a little bit late now because I'm going to, by the time I've edited it and stuck it up. But yeah, we shall see you tomorrow. 2 more days left and then we're back to work. I'll quickly put some jubilee clips on the inlet pipes. The turbo pipes as well. I just saw that I hadn't had any clips on that. I've still got to put one on the turbo still. Yeah, give it a little bit of rev up, but it's hard to tell whether it's running perfectly or I haven't done something right because again, until you get it up to temperature and actually get it out, and anyway. And we've cable tied some wires up just in preparation for tomorrow. Whoom! All right, we'll go for it tomorrow. We're going for it. Solid.